Meaning of forbidding.
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 Forbidding. Forbidding is an adjective that describes something that is unpleasant, threatening, or intimidating. When something is forbidding, it creates a sense of fear or apprehension in the beholder. It may also indicate that the thing being described is prohibited or not allowed. For example, a forbidding landscape might be one that looks inhospitable, with jagged rocks and steep cliffs. Similarly, a forbidding notice might warn people that they are not permitted to enter a particular area. Overall, the term forbidding conveys a sense of negativity and caution.